Good morning. This is the garden guy, Charlie Stocker. You can find us on Facebook, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, or on YouTube. You can even go to our website, which is heygardenguy.com. So, two different areas you can find us on, or you can watch us on television on Mondays and Fridays on Channel 25. There have been some questions coming in to us about what are some accent plants that really kind of explode an area of my landscape that's really just been kind of dead before. Can you give us any idea of some plants that would work in those areas? I'm going to have two go-to plants today. They're both hardy for zone 6 and 7. In fact, even further down and further north, but I'm just talking about now between zone 6 and zone 7. And this particular plant, you may recognize, I heard somebody say it, that's right, this is a Parise Japonica, or it's also called lily of the valley. And the neat thing about this is, not only does it bloom in the springtime, as you see, gets up anywhere from 4 to 5 foot, is hardy for this particular area, but then as you go into the fall, it has a beautiful burgundy, bright red foliage that will hold through the entire winter. Now know that it likes a well-drained soil, but it's very hardy, doesn't really get any disease or insects, and will do a great job for you. So if you're wanting an accent plant that's going to work well in an area that's going to get up anywhere from 4 to 6 foot, I would consider the Parise Japonica, or the lily of the valley. And this particular variety is called the impish. So they come in white, they come in pink, there are a few yellows. Very hardy for this area, Parise Japonica. The second of my plants that I like as an accent plant that will do well in your landscape is called the compact dwarf Oregon grape holly. And the reason these plants do so well as an accent plant or a go-to plant is because they not only do something in the fall, but they additionally will do something in the spring or throughout the summer. Again, it is an evergreen. It holds its leaves year-round. This is an Oregon grape holly, a compact Oregon grape holly. You're seeing now that it's fluorescing, or we call it the flowering of the plant. The yellow, it's very attractive. It holds its leaves year-round, gets a beautiful burgundy foliage on it in the fall, gets up about 3.5 to 4 foot. But then in the fall, that's when it really happens. It gets little clusters of grapes all over the plant from the flowers in the springtime. And it's just a knockout through the wintertime. Absolutely gorgeous, very hardy, will get up anywhere from 4 to 5 foot and doesn't need any particular care. But it grows great by itself. You can add other plants around it, but this can be the anchoring plant of a particular area of your landscaping. So if you want a new look and you want hardiness and you want a lot of color, consider either the Parise Japonica or the Oregon grape holly. Both will be workhorses for you in your landscape. This is Charlie Stocker, Hey Garden Guy, raising your garden IQ one question at a time.